How to fix Snapchat sorry could not find username problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for Snapchat over here. Just to make sure you have an updated version of Snapchat application. So here you can see there's no option of Snap update. So it means we have the latest version. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Snapchat application over here. Then tap on the app info option. As you do that, you'll be able to see the option of clear data or the manage space section at the bottom right corner. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to delete all the app data over here. If it's possible, you can delete all. If not, you can just clear the cache. And as you do that, you can just go and relaunch the Snapchat application, and that might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.